Hello everyone, welcome to Rise IS. I am Alok Bardhan and in today's Prelims Wide session, we will discuss a very important article from today's The Hindu newspaper on Indian Navy Historic Triple Commissioning. So, title of today's article from the Hindu newspaper is Maritime Sector, a Major Engine of Economic Growth, says PM Modi. So, let's start with what this article discussed. So, this article discussed mainly about introduction of three naval ships and how this introduction shows the India's growth and India's commitment towards Aatmanirbhar Bharat and role of maritime sector in India's economical growth and India's military capability and India's goal to become a producer and manufacturer instead of importer of arms and India's growth story as India indigenously built warship and submarine 40 indigenously warship and submarine in recent years and vision of India as a hub of shipbuilding and hub for military infrastructure capability. So why we have chosen this article? We have chosen this article because you can see military latest introduction of military infrastructure or military capability is become very much important thing for UPSC prelims exam. So you can see similarly in UPSC in 2014 asked a question about Agni 4 missile. So this topic become highly relevant for upcoming UPSC preliminary exam. So let's start today's discussion with the context of this article. So Prime Minister commissioned three indigenously built naval vessels, and the name of three indigenously developed naval vessel is INS Dunagiri, INS Sanshodhak, and INS Agray in Kolkata. Which these introduction is why this introduction is unique. This introduction is unique mainly because in these military hardware or naval vessel built with 75% indigenous content with the participation of 200 plus MSME, which mark a major step toward maritime self-reliance. So, so it is a major step towards maritime self-reliance. Now let's see detail of three vessels. First vessel is INS Dunagiri. INS Dunagiri is a stealth guided missile frigate, and this INS Dunagiri is built under Project 17A, and it features reduced radar cross section for stealth capability. And this INS Dunagiri equipped with BrahMos missile, medium range surface to air missile, and MF star radar, and electronic warfare system. This INS Dunagiri is designed for blue water operation and high intensity combat. So INS Dunagiri built under Project 17A and it features advanced radar system and it equipped with highly efficient and new and cutting edge technology which include BrahMos missile, range surface to air missile and MF star radar. So and second naval vessel is INS Sanshodhak. It is a hydrographic survey vessel. So it is a final ship of Sandhayak-class survey vessel large SVL. It is a final ship of Sandhayak-class survey vessel large. And this INS Sanshodhak equipped with autonomous underwater vehicle, remotely operated vehicle, and multi-beam echo sounders, which is a latest cutting edge technology and very beneficial for current anti-piracy and during war. See, this conducts seabed mapping, ocean depth measurement, and oceanographic survey. and support submarine navigation and anti-submarine operations. So third such anti third such is infrastructure is INS Agray. So it is INS Agray is anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft. So INS Agray is anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft. It is a part of Arnala-class. So it is Arnala-class shallow watercraft and equipped with lightweight torpedoes, indigenous anti-submarine rocket, and hull-mounted sonar. INS Agray optimized for detecting and neutralizing submarine in coastal and littoral water. So INS Agray is very much relevant and very important for counting anti-submarine rockets and in during war and anti-piracy warfare. Now we'll see a strategic significance of this introduction. So this introduction strengthens layered naval defense through deep sea warfare, hydrographic intelligence, and coastal security. And this introduction enhanced India's role as Vishwabandhu and security provided in Indo-Pacific. So as India is also called guardian of Indian Ocean. So this introduction help in strengthening this command of India as guardian of Indian Ocean. So this introduction boosts indigenous shipbuilding and complementing Sagarmala Project and 7,000 crore shipbuilding recent package. So this indigenous shipbuilding help and attaining the government goal of India as a hub of shipbuilding and a defense manufacturer. So and we have given a MCQ related to this. Please attend this MCQ and thank you for attending today's session. You can download complete PDF from our website and for further preparation, please visit our website and YouTube channel. Thank you.